Washington, D.C., the heart of American power, brought to its knees. For over a month, the government stood frozen. Millions of federal workers without pay. Airports in chaos. Aid programs stalled. The longest government shutdown in U.S. history. A political standoff that pushed the nation to the brink. But now, the gears are turning again. In a rare moment of compromise, the Senate has struck a temporary deal. A stopgap bill to reopen the government and restore funding through January 30, 2026. It's a relief for millions and a sigh of exhaustion from a country held hostage by its own leaders. The agreement brings back paychecks, reopens agencies, and restarts vital services. But make no mistake, this isn't peace, it's a ceasefire. The deep divides that caused the shutdown still run through the halls of Congress. Healthcare, taxes, and spending, the battles waiting just beyond the horizon. For now, the government awakens, the crisis cools. But beneath the Capitol dome, tension simmers, and the next shutdown may already be waiting in the shadows.